Hello, in this video I'd like to talk to you about Orca's patented side scanning technology. Side scanning is a revolutionary new approach that addresses the problems of trying to deploy agents in a cloud environment that's ever-changing, that's ephemeral, and that's often managed by different teams and business units. Orca is able to scan all the different data about a workload and reconstruct that, whether it's the file system through the operating system, the applications and the data, in a virtual read-only view, and then perform the risk analysis on that view. This way, it's not impacting any production workloads, it's not having to sit on the network and monitor packets that are going across, and because of this, it's an exceedingly fast deployment. Eliminating those agents means that the Orca Cloud Security Platform, through that patented side scanning, is able to deliver a complete risk profile of all of your estate across all of your different account types and all of the different areas that could be alerts in a single place and within 24 hours. This coverage is 100% continuous. Because we're not relying on an agent being on or dying or switching off, we're able to provide that across all those different assets. VMs, containers, serverless functions. We can tie that in with the MITRE ATT&CK framework, as well as be able to provide trending information based on that unified data model. Now that is going to cover VMs, containers, serverless, as I mentioned, as well as other types of resources that you wouldn't be able to see with an agent. VPCs, KMS keys, and we're able to discover those automatically when they're added. This full stack visibility will cover Linux and Windows hosts as well. We're able to monitor file integrity monitoring, log inspection, and a lot more. And all of this being done because of the nature of the cloud and because Orca Security was built from the ground up as a cloud native security platform. Thank you for your time.